Hey, good afternoon. This is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled electrical company Salem, VA. And this area right here is called the Map Pack. And I see that you're already in the Map Pack, which is a phenomenal start. And so the ones listed here are the ones that should be receiving a lot of work because they're easy to find and they're listed right away. So the way you can keep yourself in the top 2 and 3 is by first having a Google Business profile. The second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And the third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, which you are also in, which is also great, is called the organic search, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 2 or 3 so that people can find you, and you are, so that's an awesome start. So the main thing that you want to do with your site, which is a great site, by the way, very good site, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled electrical company Salem, VA, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help this website rank. And I wanted to pull up one of the competitors in the area, so I pulled up Murray & Son Electrical, just to kind of give you an idea of what you're up against. And another thing real quick I wanted to go over was the UR and the DR ratings, because they're super important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up that they are, the more powerful your site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And then one of the ways that you can increase those numbers is through what's called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can go into the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. So lastly, most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords within the content that I mentioned before. So for example, we'll click on the keywords for Murray & Sons, and I want to focus on the volume column because that's a representation of how many people are searching for specific keywords in a month. So electrician, Roanoke VA, 10 people look for that. Roanoke electrician, 10 people look for that. Electricians, Roanoke VA, 10 people look for that. So just to kind of give you an idea, electronic repair, electrical contractors, Virginia, 10 people look for that. So just to give you an idea of what people are looking for, but it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for those terms, the more people are going to find you, and the more people that are going to call you, and in turn, more business you're going to land. So I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.